I didn't get any footage of the entrance, but if you want to see what the entrance looks back, look back at our video from last week where Mike flopped it in the entrance. That's the entrance to this trail. This trail is called Toll Booth. It's right at the end of a road, an actual asphalt road, and also it's right on the county line. It's right down from Centralia, so figured Toll Booth is a fit-in name for it. And this hill to get up into the top section is just getting really dug out and bad. Hopefully it will get dug down to some bigger boulders so we could actually crawl it and not have to hill kill it. But this is the East Coast and there is a lot of this loose dirt mixed with rock. And this is the upper section, just big boulders that you have to go up and around. That doesn't look like a big boulder, but that's me standing on one. And that's a 43-inch tire on one, so videos don't ever do it justice. Right there is a good shot because his 43 disappeared on the other side of that boulder. But we're going to work our way through this and carry on to the next trail.
Like 4 feet off the ground? Yeah.
I really appreciate Buggy Johnny coming out. This is a different Johnny than last video. That's Johnny Parks with Parks Photography. He's from Michigan, up by where I work. Buggy Johnny's from down by Maryland. We have a lot of Johns on the channel for some reason. But I really appreciate him getting footage of me and helping me film, and
That's got it.
it was a great day out there. And he, besides the other John, he's one of the only other people that's been in the buggy. I normally don't have a second seat in it. I normally have my tray so I can pack all my stuff for the day, because we're usually out for the full day, so I try to bring a lot of stuff with us. As I mentioned, this trail is called Toll Booth, and I would put it somewhere in the 6.5 to 7 scale range. It's still red. Now, Steve got through. He had a winch once, but that's just right here. He had a winch because he kind of laid it on its side. But he got through most of it, so I would say it's a 6. Definitely you want stickies here, and
Too high.
a Buggy-esque drag axle could get through it, but it's definitely not easy. So I would bump this one up to 6, 6.5, somewhere around there. It's not definitely the hardest thing that we got.
Yeah. Straighten your rear up. Straighten your rear. It's a big drop. Come down slow.
So even in the drone, it doesn't look like it, but this is a gradual uphill. It's not a creek bed, but it's like a creek bed. Pretty good sized boulders. Pretty moderate trail. Like I've said before, I don't mention enough, and I need to. I don't rate my trails as like reds, blacks, greens. All of them are reds. It's a number system for me, kind of like how they do out west. So I'm going to try to do a better job describing what each trail number would be. This trail here is Silent Hill. It is a slight uphill, and you have to go up to a plateau, turn around, and come back down, as you'll see in a minute. But this trail, I would say it's somewhere around a 5.5. probably. You don't have to have rear steer to get up it, and that's Old Man John, another John. He has a buggy, that a bent fab Southern Buggy, not bent fab Arizona. He has non-stickies, and he got up most of it. So yeah, I would say it's right around a 5, 5.5. It's not that terrible. Tim. You're almost there. You're just hooked on your rear axle tube. Yeah. You can. If you back up and just hit it a little harder and just stay constant, you'll go right up it. Straighten the rear. Yep, right there. And just bump it and just don't kill it, but just stay constant. There you go. Your helmet. Oh shit. Thank you. Wait, don't fucking take my drone now. Oh yeah. I guess it's following you. You see it? Thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the trail.